when the little plastic piece to show the angle of the bevel breaks off, I'm going to show you how to fix another one, how to put another one on there. In my case, I just got a piece of plastic, or you can use a piece of sheet metal or something. Plastic, less chance of it breaking, but it will break. I've poked a couple of holes in there so I can kind of get the get it to where it'll adjust. And then you take and just bend this top part best as you can where you've zeroed it in, and then we'll just cut the top part of that off. There we go. Yeah. And so now all I got to do, if I'm really looking for a number, bend this over, just hold that over there to it, and then it only takes a second, and then once you get your number, tighten it down, and then you're done. That's all there is really to it. I hope this is going to help.